Smile and learn.
Hey, why are you so happy?
My parents have explained to me what netiquette is. Now I can use social media and talk to my friends on the internet without any worries and respecting everyone. Do you want me to explain it to you?
Of course.
Netiquette is a set of rules that encourages politeness and respect on the internet. It helps us relate better with other people while expressing our opinions and respecting those of others. It also helps us avoid misunderstandings and problems with other internet users. Also, thanks to these rules, we can protect our privacy and that of others. So today, I'm going to tell you about the most important netiquette rules. As you may already know, you can surf the internet anonymously, which means that no one knows who you are, unless you tell them. Because of this, sometimes we don't know the people we're talking to, and we can unintentionally hurt them. We should remember that what we say on the internet can affect us in real life. This is why it's important to protect and take care of each other as users. But in order to do that, we have to communicate carefully. While online, we can give our opinion about any topic, but we must do it with respect and without offending others. Let's take a look at this example where we talk about a movie. Hey, I think the sequel is better. Still, I respect your opinion. I find your thought very interesting, and it helps me understand the movie from a different point of view. Sometimes, when we write and send a message, someone may understand it in a different way. For example, when we want to communicate something in a friendly tone, that could be unpleasant for someone else. That's why we use emoticons. They help us make the message clear because they allow us to convey how we feel or express our intention with what we say. For example, look at this conversation. A wonderful idea! It's a good thing that he used emoticons. Otherwise, I would have understood the complete opposite of what my friend wanted to tell me. It is important to write as clearly as possible so that we can be understood. Also, there are some things to keep in mind when sending messages. For example, did you know that when you write in all capital letters, you're shouting?
Oh. Ooh.
An awkward situation, isn't it? Although they can be funny misunderstandings, it's good to know netiquette to avoid them. When you talk about others or tag them in your posts, it should always be to say something positive, never to insult or make negative comments. Do you know what it's called when someone misbehaves online with another person?
Yeah, it's called cyberbullying. It's awful. People who struggle from it have a very tough time.
You're right. That's why we have to treat others well when using the internet.
Wow, thank you so much for explaining what netiquette is. I had no idea, and it's clear that it's very important.
Yes, we need to know netiquette to be able to treat others well online and respect their privacy, just as we would in real life.
We've learned a lot about netiquette today, but there are still some things we don't know. In the next video, we will learn netiquette rules that apply when communicating with others, for example, on social media. See you next time!
We've learned so much in just one video. Did you know there are many more videos? Imagine how much you could learn. Subscribe to the Smile and Learn educational channel to learn and have fun at the same time.